From primary school. I know I'm a musician with 53 years. I was asking a football musician. Yes, I'm explaining. Discussion over. Thank you. Relaxing two things. Instead of relaxing when you are still young, what about when you are old? But all are the same, no matter what. But if you are the same, I was asking when you big male that you say relaxing two things. Where does it hit you? I might say it because I made it. Yes.
Using today's debate.
The debate was so marvelous. The two antagonistic sides competed and we have managed to get the winners.
Today's motion says that football is better than music.
No, according to how they have argued, they are not the ones I accepted.
I have seen you supporting the ones of football. Are you a footballer?
Yeah, I'm a great footballer.
Yes. Hello. Here we are together with the DJ of the school of Kigali Infant Academy. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is Ushaka, so called Papa Set.
Wow.
Yes, very happy, and as you can see, we have really future leaders. Okay. We have seen how people can really speak English in front of the congregation.
I have been the judge of the debate, and he has gone all well according to the way. Only that because of time.
As Teacher Dennis said, my name is Ineza Tetadrodana, and I'm the chairperson of today's debate. Before I point out today's motion says that football is better than music. The proposer side. We have the proposer side and the opposer side. Let's start from the proposer side. Who is the name? Who is the first?
Those ones are opposing.
What is your name?
Those are opposing. But you have the name of Teacher Dennis. You have the name.
Let's start from the proposer side. We have Honorable Mans Ivan. The name of our beloved chairperson, timekeeper, secretary, and house at large. Good afternoon. I'm supporting the motion that states football is better than music. 100% correct because of the following reasons. My first point, football promotes physical fitness. How? Football involves a lot of jumping and constant running. My second point, it promotes teamwork and friendship. How? The force between the two teammates promotes friendship. Confidence. The confidence to win makes the players or the footballers to have confidence. I'm also going to state the dangers of music. First, hearing damage and destruction. Negative influence. This is how some songs have violent, explicit, and harmful lyrics may influence negative behaviors among young listeners. And sleeping problems.
listening to loud or stimulating music before bed. Thank you for listening to me.
Point of require. Allowed to divine, Honorable Divine.
Thanks. You said that way might lead to hearing problems. Are we not hearing to you? Are we having any problem?
First of all, a lot of people may be allowed to turn on and first of all, I was talking about music, I was not talking about my language.
Music is also listened like other words. And also music is not played when putting volume on the highest level.
First of all, did you hear me singing?
I also told you that all the music and the normal ones are all listened and we don't have hearing problem. Thank you.
I was talking about the important music, not the music which we hear.
I like Honorable Ndera. Before we have the opposite side, let's have a simile that welcome the opposite side. As address as what?
As address as the sun.
On the opposite side, let's call upon Honorable.
Thank you, Mrs. Chairperson, Judge, Secretary, Timekeeper, opposes the site, opposes my site plus the audience. Good evening. I am here to oppose the motion which says that football is better than music. 100% wrong because of my views. I can first explain keywords. Football is any various game played with a ball in which two teams compete to kick, head, or propel the ball into each other goal. Is a singular word. Better, comparative of good. Than is used with more or less to compare numbers or amounts. Music is the arrangement of sound to create some combination of form, harmony, melody, or otherwise expressive content. I can now, that's my view. Cognitive development, playing music instruments enhance cognitive skills, including memory, problem solving, and spatial reasoning. Emotional expression. Music offers a power way to express the connect with emotions and a deep level. Creative and relaxation. Music can inspire creativity and serve as a form of relaxation and a way to deal with stress. Music is source of happiness. Like when we are here, when you're going to first play football, are they prepared for it? We first sing. Please, Mr. Timekeeper, add me 1 more minute. When we are here in the field, we first sing, and you cannot sing football. Helps in relaxation. helps in relaxing. Like some of us, when we are still babies, our mothers could sing for us, and we feel free, we stop crying. Before the first champion league, they first sing, and they cannot sing football because football is not a music. They play football, but they cannot sing football. In the birthday party, cannot use football to sing, but we use music to sing. Thank you.
Allowed from Honorable Manzaipan.
Relaxing two things. Instead of relaxing when you are still young, what about when you are old?
But all are the same, no matter what.
But if you are the same, I was just when big man that you said relaxing two things.
Where does it hit you? I might say it because I made it.
Yes,
they doesn't mean two words. I explain one in its order, and I explained another one in its order.
Thank you. On the proposer side, we have Honorable Hope.
I would like to conclude by telling you that the DJ can put for you tsunami to enjoy and you relax.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Timekeeper, that side and my side. Good afternoon. My name is Ashimni. I'm here to propose the motion which states that football is better than music. 100% correct because of my following views. Okay. Football opens people's mind. How? Football, when like you are relaxing, you can go and play it. The second point, football helps us to get money, especially footballers, leafers, and ball boys. Football helps us to get knowledge, like sharing when give a pass to your teammates. Football is the teacher of values, sharing and attending, opens up the mind of people. Thank you for listening to me. Any point of require? Allowed to Honorable Ndera.
They don't say good, they say good evening. They don't say good evening, they say good evening. Thank you.
Good evening.
You said good evening, and they say good evening.
Mr. Timekeeper.
She has requested for 2 minutes.
Point of require allowed to Honorable Hope.
You said that football can repeat your first view.
My first view was football opens mind of people.
Can it open your mind when you're studying? How can you go to pray
Maybe my mind not yours.
Although it can you cannot play football in the class, but you play football in the field. And music is only anywhere you are, you can sing. But I didn't say that in the class. But it does not open the mind of everybody. As from yours, it cannot everybody. Some, not all.
Wait.
Especially you. Yes, me. Not too.
Point of correction.
Thank you, Chairperson, Chief Judge, Secretary, Timekeeper, proposers my side, proposers that side, plus the audience. Good afternoon. My name is Mbere Divine. I'm standing here opposing the motion which says that football is better than music. 100% correct because of my following views. 100% low because of my following views.
Wait.
My first view is promote relaxation. Whenever someone is tired, he or she needs to just listen to music, and then that person can have relaxation. Improves focus. For example, when a teacher comes in class, he or she might first tell you to sing some songs, and then after that you can have to focus on your studies. It can be done as a job. Some people do music as their job and they get a lot of money. It is long life. Everybody can sing until to death. Keeps the brain sharp. The music keeps the brain sharp because you keep thinking. Add me 1 minute, please. Because you keep thinking the words, you can put a song for it to be better. And then it can also be used everywhere. Like now we're coming in the debate. They play music but not football. I'm now going to talk about disadvantages of football. It causes injuries. You might be running and you fall down, so that you might have some injuries. It needs a lot of time. For you to practice football, you just need like more than 1 hour. And for music, you can sing it. You can be singing when sweeping, mopping, or doing something else. It causes fractures. You might be running, you fall down, that can be a fracture which can take you a lot of money for you to have a medical care. My next view is it can lead to disability. You might be running, you fall down, you have a disability which might never heal. Thanks for listening to me. I also conclude by saying that proposal side, join our side because you're the losers and we are the winners. Thank you for listening to me.
Point of require allowed to Honorable E.
My name is Divine, not Hope.
You mean that music you can get a lot of money?
Yes.
Even football you can get a lot of money.
Not much as music, please. No.
Discussion over. On the proposal side, we have Honorable.
Now we are going to debate proposals.
Yes, isn't it this one?
This is the one following.
Teacher. So this is the opposite side. Also.
Now you are known at the opposite here.
Yeah, and this one.
Good afternoon, Chairperson, Secretary, Timekeeper, proposers, my side and the other side. Good afternoon. I am here to propose the motion which states that football is better than music. 100% correct because of my following reasons. Football teaches teamwork and discipline. Football is not an individual game. Every day, every player must work together. Football brings people together, like fans from different countries, cultures, and background. Come together to watch or play football. Football develops mental strength. Football teaches players to make quick decisions under pressure. Football takes a lot of time, training sessions, games, and travel can take many hours every week. Thank you.
Any point of order allowed to honorable Prince. Fires.
Is it in order for you, the main speaker, to go in front and you don't conclude?
No?
It is not allowed.
Good afternoon, everybody. I want to oppose the motion which says that football is better than music. 100% correct because of my following views. First point, teamwork and unity. Football brings people together to work toward a common goal. Teaching physical fitness, it helps you to stay active, strong, and healthy, while music doesn't usually provide physical exercise. Sports make you translation. Sports make you strong and fit. Thank you.
Any point of require allowed to honorable Joshua.
But bring people together. If you bring people together, that's the issue.
Point of support allowed to Teacher Miracle.
Thank you so much, Honorable Joshua. Football can bring people together, and the music can do it as well. But according to the statistics made, football is more attractive than music.
Oppose the motion which says that football is better than music, which is 100% wrong because of my following opinions. Opinion number one, it helps in knowing things. People who go in radios and they hear ancient things and dance who can know different things like stories. It helps in doing, opinion number two, it helps in doing exercise. Even music, when you dance, that one is also exercise. View number 3. It prevents boredom. When you feel bored, you can be hearing some music. It helps in meditation. A person can hear calm songs so that he can meditate and focus on what he or she is doing. It helps us to calm down. Music can help you to forget all your problems. Thank you.
Why are you saying that it makes us exercise when football is the main purpose of exercise?
Is that dancing is also exercise?
But I'm saying football is the main purpose and you can also do it. And it depends on my opinion.
But even on music, everyone can dance. Even if you can feel big or small. You can
still on us. I was meaning me.
Discussion over.
Good afternoon, our beloved chairperson, judge, timekeeper, opposers my side, proposers that side, plus the audience. Good afternoon. My name is Ashimena Joseph. I'm from opposer side. I'm here to oppose the motion which states that football is better than music. 100% wrong because of my following views. I'm going to gush out. Music reduces stress. For example, like for me when I'm sad or I'm stressed at home, I get my earpods, then I hear my music. My second view states that music is source of income. Like those of Diamond, Juno, and others. They don't sing for nothing, they get money. It promotes friendship. It promotes friendship among people. Like when you see Diamond is coming to sing with Juno, they make friendship. Like you find always they are going to visit each other, and you find that it's sitting in the friendship of countries.
This one did speak, or this one.
It is source of jobs. 1 minute, please. It is source of jobs. Like when we are singing, as we sing good songs, many producers are searching for us as we get money. My 60th view. It's source of happiness. For example, like when I'm sad, I hear like that song of Apate Apate. Like I go and hear it, I dance, then the sadness it stops. Some songs present the culture of people, no, the culture of the country. Like those songs they use like in dancing traditional dance, like that one of Rwandanziza, like not the national anthem, that one you say that Rwandanziza. It's used also in traditional dance. Thank you. I conclude by saying that DJ put for them a Apate because they need to relax. They're about to pass their head. Thank you.
Any point of require allowed funds.
1 minute. 2 minutes.
You're saying that music is source of income when you don't have any experience in football or music.
Yeah, because those players, they have their lives to stop from playing football. I know a musician with 53 years.
I was asking a football musician.
Yes, I'm explaining.
Discussion over.
Thank you. To stand here, I thank the chairperson, secretary, chief judge, and others, even the house at large. I was here to mean this motion which states that football is better than music is 100% wrong because of my following views. The first view, it improves focus. For example, when you are listening music, it may help you on focusing what you do. For example, when you're sweeping, for example, you're at home alone, you may put some music and then you'll be dancing even when you're sweeping. And that is good. Improve sleep quality. When you're tired and
you listen to music. You may be listening to music. You find, for example, if you have lost for example, if you don't you sleep, it does not work. You listen music, you find you're going, you're not still there, you're still sleeping. It boosts your mind. If you have very many problems, you may put some music and then you may forget your problems, or you may come back to your normal state. Playing football can cause injuries. You may be playing football, you run, you fast a teeth down, or you fast the arm down. Okay, the teeth, it may be have grown and cannot grow the second time. Or you fast the arm down, you sleep on it. Can you go to buy another arm? Or you run. Please, add little minutes. You run. For example, you immediately beat your head on the goals. It may lead on other problems of the head. It promotes it eases pain. For example, if you're paining, if they have bet you, if you're crying, you put in some music. When at the edge you be singing, the music takes you, the anger, it goes away. Those were my views. Thank you for listening to me. Any question?
Point of correction allowed to Mount Ivan.
They don't say lose, they say lost.
But lost, it may be in past tense because you may be having a body part and then you lose it, get lost.
Lost is not a body part.
No, I'm saying you may lose your body part. To lose
you say something. If you lose it. If you lose your body,
I'm not saying lose, I say lose.
Discussion over.
Joshua, the word is roast, not lose it.
Before we call the opposite side, let me first ask you another proverb. Don't judge a book by its opposite side. Let's call upon Honorable Kalisa Raul.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to propose the motion which states that football is better than music. 100% correct because of my...
Sorry for interruption, Honorable Rola.
Through football, we get money like players who play for Arsenal. My third view. Football helps people to pass time without wasting a lot of money. My fourth view. Football helps people to develop their muscles and bones. My fifth view. Football helps people to go outside countries and explore new things. Thank you.
You're finished.
Yes.
Point of order allowed to Honorable Josh. Let me Bruce.
Is it in order for the next speaker to read the points as if he's reading a Bible?
Why are you reading on your book? Wasn't that allowed?
Your eyes are on where your points are.
But this is a debate. What if you can forget some things and you get ashamed?
A debate is to debate, not preach.
You were also using your book.
View 1. It promotes peace. Like when we are playing music, when we are singing music, you cannot go and you block someone like how when we are playing football, you can kick someone how you want. It promotes happiness. I don't want to mean that even football, it does not promote happiness, but music, it promotes more than football. It promotes teamwork. I may be singing and that one come and join me, and you find all of us are being friends, or in the evening when we have been quarreling. It helps us to do physical exercise. Add me 2 minutes. It helps us to do physical exercise. When we are dancing and jumping, we will be doing physical exercise. Thank you for hearing my views. And I conclude by telling you that that music is the key of happiness. Thank you.
Any point of retire? Allowed to point of order. Allowed to Honorable Gianna.
Is it in order as a main speaker to do not close your shoelaces?
I know it, but there has been a mistake that even you can do it. Thank you.
Discussion over. Before we continue, let me first ask you a simile. As wind. No? Thank you for the trial. Thank you very much.
Thank you, our chairperson of today's debate. As a motion mover, the main speakers to always honor this public event. Debating being a public event, we are supposed to honor it. Whenever someone inquires or asks you a point of inquiry, don't be as if you are fighting and you start exchanging abusive words. Next time, we shall pardon you from continuing, and we just give you 0 out of the marks we have to give.
Tell the secretary to say the number of points.
How many points?
For my what's
33, right here, 33. 3 points.
33 points. The points for P4s, they are 25.
Yeah, 25 points.
I was assessing everybody according to the way he or she came and utilized the floor to use. Now from here, I was awarding them according to the following. I was giving the expression, smartness, explanation, and conclusion. Then there I will get the total. From the first speaker, the total only. Okay, thank you so much. On the proposer side, as the teacher has requested, proposer side got 25 points as you have heard from them, plus the ones that I added up, they were 90, adding up to 115. That is proposer side. And then on the opposer side, they managed to come up with the 38 points plus 105 points, adding to 138. So hereby I declare the proposers as the winners of this motion.
They are the winners of the debate.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to you.
Which role have you played in this?
I have been the judge of the debate, and it has gone all well according to the way. Only that because of time could not allow us to give the explanation as what required. But as per now, I can give you the explanation as it was. It was supposed to go in this way, that we observe the expression of the learner, then the smartness, explanation, and the conclusion. Then we come up with the total in every side. From there, we gave out we got the first.
Here we have among the teachers who are assisting this debate that you have seen, which was wonderful. But I wanted to ask him, what's your name first?
My name is Teacher Miracle.
Yeah, that's good. Teacher Miracle.
Yes.
How have you seen today's debate?
The debate was so marvelous. The two antagonistic sides competed, and we have managed to get the winners. So the debate was so wonderful.
So you have the ones who are the winners. They are the ones that you expected.
No, according to how they have argued, they are not the ones I expected.
I have seen you supporting the ones of football. Are you a footballer?
Yeah, I'm a great footballer.
Which team do you like here in Rwanda?
I like Rwanda national team, Avuga Stars.
Among others, no.
Yeah, among others, no. I like the national team.
In Europe?
In Europe, I support England. And my club is Manchester United.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much for your view.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Hello. Here we are together with the DJ of the school of Kigali Infants Academy. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is Chakwan. You're not so called Papa Set.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for coming and helping us.
Thank you.
How was the debate?
The debate was so marvelous. Only that young children have really expressed their emotional as they can do better. For sure, we are very happy, and we, as you can see, we have really future leaders. We have seen how people can really speak English in front of the congregation.
So those ones who won, they are the ones that you expected?
Those ones because of age and other factors which I can't mention. Of course, we expect them to win, but for sure people have done much according to. It is not the way we expected. They are still young, but they are able to speak in front of people. So we apply the word.
Thank you. What do you normally do in this school, Kigali Infants Academy?
Of course, Kigali Infants Academy. Of course, I play big roles. Also, for a Master of Science. On top of that, in the co-curricular activities, I'm ever the DJ.
Wow. Thank you so much for your
service. For sure, and you too, by the way, we appreciate your services. Yes. We really appreciate you. There's nothing can give you. We really appreciate for helping us and for being live on UKWEZIKWAKA TV. I told all the communities always subscribe to UKWEZIKWAKA. They like, they view, they comment. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Yes, yes.
Only missed one. That was from the point of conclusion. These are children who are still young. Maybe they missed this step. Always whenever we debate, we have to make sure that we give the explanations. Yes. You give out your points, and after giving out the points, you have to conclude to show what you are really talking about to the people. Wow. So from there, the first speaker got 15, and also the second one got 15, the third one also got 15, the fourth one also got 15, the fifth one also got 15, and the 60th one also got 15 from the side of proposers.
Wow.
They all missed the conclusion to add up to 20 marks each. But on the side of the proposers who were the winners, they were so critical that they observed also the point of conclusion. The first one gave expression smartly, the smartness, explanation, and the conclusion. And he came up with 18 points. And then the second one also gave 15. He got 5, 5, 5, and 4, totaling to 19 points. The third one also came. This was a very sharp girl, and I liked her so much.
Wow, wow.
She was strong.
She was sure.
She was capable, really, and firm.
Okay.
Talking to her fellows, she scored 5 on the expression. Smartness, she was really smart. She scored 5. Explanation, she got 5. Conclusion, also she concluded very well. She even went up and said that whenever we have music, we get other artists from different places that join up. So she even gave the example that, like Diamond, when Diamond comes, people converge and they play together. So I liked her so much. She was a very good competitor. Then the fourth one came and got 5 dash. That one did not give conclusion. Yes. So that one also scored 15. Then the fifth one from opposite side got 5, and also that one forgot. I don't know what he brought to this. Also that one got 15. Then the last one came up with 5, 3. Really, this one missed the 2 from the smartness. He was not really smart. He came and he started dressing himself before the audience, of which he was asked. But he tried and he got 3 because he had to dress up and looked smart. Then on the side of explanation, he got 5. Then conclusion also, he concluded very well, he got 5. So he scored 18. That made them to get 105 points. And on the other side, they got 115. So when we total up with their points, these ones, the opposers got 33 plus 105, totaling to 138. Then proposers got 25 plus 90, they got 115. So we declared the opposers as the winners of the debate. Which is P5? Which are P5 members.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your supplement.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much.